Welcome back, everyone. I'm with a 2026 Mazda CX5, and this is in rhodium white and in select trim. So for 2026, certain colors offer a pure white interior, and I think they really did a nice job with this. So let's take a look. Now, I always like to offer a lighter interior because you see the contrast of any color it's paired with when you're outside the vehicle, giving it a premium look. As you see the headrest and upper torso area of the seat. So upon entry though, again, the nice contrast on the dash and even the door. This is in select trim. This runs about 34/7, but the high traffic area, the ins and outs on this leatherette is not going to be tarnished too terribly bad. Lighter trim pieces even on the doors in the rear and in the back seat there, on the console, along the track of the console, dashboard. That's really nicely done. Here is rear seat entry. Of course, you have the 90-degree angle opening for the door, which helps out a lot with small animals and things like that. But then the contrast goes through the door, on the seat back, on the top of it. But in all the high traffic areas, you won't have to worry about staining a light colored upholstery. Very, very cool. Smart there as well. It is still a manual tailgate on the select trim, but there you don't even see it excepting for underneath this retractable cargo cover, which is still an option. So that's sold as an accessory, but pops in there really easy. So if you buy it aftermarket or from the parts department. So just on the top of the seat back, you'll see the contrasting pure white upholstery. Putting that back, you notice the lever pieces are also in pure white. And sort of off topic, but still important sometimes, is it does recline just a hair, and so you can fit those boxes in the rear if you just need another ½ inch or so. So that's it for this video. I just want to show off this new select trim interior upholstery choice. Pure white is available in select colors. If you need more information, feel free to drop an email to james.orden@andersoncars.com. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.